Hey friends, it's Rowan from Optimize Effects. Welcome to episode 4 of the $1,000 challenge. Just a quick update. I left it for a couple of days before I recorded another video. It's now Saturday. The markets are closed. The only reason being is that there wasn't really much to report on the last couple of days. But we'll start with these are in no particular order at all. This is a quick update for you all to see how they're going. So I've got the Profit Pips Hunter Boss EA. It has a $2 loss. And that's okay. I think it's okay to have a small loss. So it may make some good gains. But I did notice that the lots are big. So 0.1 lots, and it looks like it is going in the right direction. And then the stop loss, so it might have a trailing stop, might be too tight, and it's just hitting it. So yeah, we'll have a quick look. Have a quick look at that. So it doesn't actually have a trailing stop setting. So we'll see. And at the moment we're doing USD CAD, and it's using 5% spread reducer. There is no spread reducer, but anyway, so this is his basic settings. There's nothing about anything else, so well, we can't change the trailing stop. It must have it automatically in there. But anyway, that's that one. So small loss. Dragon I decided to resurrect. I gave it another $1,000. It's given a second chance. It does say profit loss negative 755, and that is because obviously I've put $2,000 into it now, and it has made some money. So we're sitting on $1,244 in profit. So it has made $244 since I put the other $1,000 in, and I'll just show you the account history here. So we can see I put in 1,000 on the 17th. That big move happened. You can see all the negative trades. Big move happened on Euro USD where it went up. It closed the account out, and then I chucked another $1,000 in, and we can see from there it's placed some positive trades, and we have made some money. But still, I'm not sure if I'd trust $1,000 with this EA just yet. We'll see how it goes. There is another 3 weeks of trading to do, and we'll see if it survives. We'll see. But at the moment, so far so good. Holy Grail. We have started on $1,000 on the 17th, which is when I started the challenge, and it has been pretty solid. So it's made $57, and we currently $24 in drawdown. So that's for 1 week, 1 pair. I think that's pretty good. We'll see. It's got 0.03. We'll see actually what we'll have a look at what the biggest trade size was, and 0.03 is the biggest size or lot size that it's traded so far. So that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Money pile. So this handled the big move up on Euro USD. You can see that big move there. Boom, boom, boom. It's gone up, and it's closed some trades. It's closed the sell, and it has made some money. So it's $112 up, and we are negative 37 in drawdown at the moment. And the biggest. We'll have a look at the history. The biggest lot size was 0.05, where it made $57, 39, 27, 16. So these are just the closed trades, and these are the open ones. So yeah, biggest lot size it has open at now is 0.02. So that's pretty solid. Money pile's going okay. Go to the next one. Phoenix 4, so it has lost a little bit of money. It's got 983, and it looks like it placed a whole heap of trades only in one little spot. So let's have a look here. There might be some settings here where it trades based on time. So I'm just having a quick look. No, 0 to 24, so that's 24 hours every day. Very odd. So it's using all the signals that we have here, risking 0.5%. So I'm not sure. So it must, at that point there, it must have had some signals to open some orders. So I'm not sure what's happened. We've got sells when it's gone up, so that's why it's lost a little bit of money. I've had a couple of winners in there, and it's yeah. But overall, we've lost $16, so nothing to be worried about yet. Move on to make money. It has made a little bit of money. We've got $23.51 up, and is currently negative 49 in drawdown. Not really much to report with this. They've all been 0.01 lot size trades. Oh, I've got rid of it. Yeah, so make money is making money. Yeah, $23, one currency pair in 1 week. Pretty good. So move on to the next. We have the private wealth robot, which has made $24. So and just keep in mind this one has only been trading 4 days, not 5, because of my stuff up. So yeah, $24 in 4 days off 1,000. Not bad at all, and it's currently in a profitable trade right now. So $4.43, but it's $3.76 because commission. This is a raw spread account, so keep in mind we pay commission for each open trade. And it's got a buy stop there that will be activated here, I believe. We can't see anything because this has usually got stuff in it, but at the moment it doesn't because the market is closed and it has no information to show. So yeah, so far so good. It did actually go into. It was actually in drawdown at the start. So we started with 1,000. It had a losing trade, a little winner, losing trade, and from then it has had some profitable trades. So I'm actually happy that it did lose trades. It can lose trades and it doesn't go into crazy amount of orders where it places heaps of orders and goes into a drawdown like a martingale system. It doesn't seem to be like that. So far so good, I believe. So we'll see how it goes over the period, but so far I'm pretty happy with that. Now we have a blown account. So 007 has blown its account, unfortunately. We are negative $6.44. Yeah. But let's have a quick look here. So I'll do from the 17th. That's when I put the money in, and unfortunately it doesn't really show all the trades on the chart that it's closed out. They look like they're all sells. So okay, yep. So it's selling as that big move went up, and it's just kept going up. It's placed another sell there. It's placed another. Well, it's placed a buy when it should have been really a sell. Yeah, and it's just blown the account. So lots of negatives. That's a bit disappointing. I was hoping this one would go well. Let's have a quick look at those settings. So this was lot exponent 1.4, take profit 10, stop loss, no stop loss. Well, it's automatically set, I believe. So one pair for every $500 account with default settings. Was I using default settings? Yes. Default settings. So I had $1,000 in the account and it blew the account. So that's a bit disappointing. Does it say what time frame? No. So I'll have a quick look into that. I'll see if I want to resurrect this, put another 1,000 in. See if we can find some settings maybe for this to work. It might be on the H1 type frame. I'm not sure. But it says turn off auto trading to high impact news, and the Euro USD had a big move up, and I believe that was high impact. So yeah, yeah, it didn't handle it. So I think with a bit of tweaking, I think we can find some better settings. So I'll do some fiddling on the weekend, and I'll see if I can find some better settings for this, and we'll start her again on Monday, I think, because I think it's good. You know, $599, it'd want to be good, especially if you just put $1,000 in on default settings and it blew it when you had when it says $500 account. But anyway, we'll move on. Winner FX Pro. This is one that I resurrected. I gave it another $1,000. Remember, it blew the account on that big move up. You can see here, boom, blew the account, and it has made $148 over that period. But we're down to 115. So, we'll see. We'll see how this one goes. You know, for me, you know, that's already 20% drawdown already. So we'll see how we go with that one. And Maris, wow. Okay, I think we need to find some better settings for this, because it was up 2k and now it's down to 396, and currently in a losing trade with a pretty big lot size buy. So. Yeah, we'll see what's going on here. Not sure what's happened. So it is managing the trading hours. Apparently it's a demo version, but auto lots is set to true. So that is, and it's using 3%. You know, fixed lot, and then we have fixed profit. Fixed profit. But yeah, where do I put the fixed profit? There's nowhere for me to do that. So anyway, I think Maris has shown some really good results. However, for some reason it won't let me put it in. But anyway, however, it's all over the shop. It's all over the shop. So we'll have a look at some history here. So we can see that I put the $1,000 in. So let's just make this a bit bigger. First trade was 63. Next one was 488, and then it made 1,200. Then a few little trades. You know, not little, but you know, I'd be happy with an extra $400, $500. But look at the lot size. 2. Holy hell. Then we've had a big loss, huge loss. So it tried to do a sell when it went up. It's hit the stop loss, and we lost 1,000. So, and then we had another big loss where it was selling and it went up and lost another 550. And since then, it's had some pretty good winners. You know, some little winners. Obviously, the lot sizing is probably smaller because it has less account size to trade. And then we've had another big loss there, and then obviously the account's really small. Had another pretty big loss. So the losses, the big losses are outweighing the wins, and that's not what you want. So, and they're outweighing the wins in a big way, except for that one big win that was like $1,100. But so I think the stop loss at 25 is probably too wide. Probably 15 or 10 or 15 might be the go there. If it's wrong, and then we'll see maybe how I go. But I'll do some research. I'll see if I can find some better settings for this one, and we'll go from there. But it's showing pretty good promise. You know, this is on auto lots, remember, and we're using 3% of the account. And the stop loss is pretty wide, and the trailing is pretty good, I think, even though I can't see what the take profit is. It's okay, and that use filter wasn't on, so and it is managing the trading hours. So I think a bit of optimization. This one could be a winner, but we'll have a look and see what we can find. But that's it for today on those ones. And for those that are still interested in how Kingle and the other one is going from the 3 Migos, I still have them running. So just a quick little bonus at the end of this video. Kingle is up to $1,200. So 12,000. 12,000, and it is down $300 at the moment. So pretty solid. Lot sizing is set at 0.03 lots. It is fixed. I haven't found very good results with this robot on variable lot sizing. So fixed lot sizing is the go with this one. So yeah, pretty solid. And money pile is still piling the money on. We have $2,800 in that account, so it's still going. It has been going for quite a while. Same with Kingle. So these two are pretty solid. I can definitely recommend them. So that's just a quick little bonus at the end of that video. Until next time, I'll see you guys. I'll do another video for Monday. We'll have a look at those settings. I'll decide whether to keep some of those blown EAs or one, and maybe find some settings, and we'll have a look at some settings. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.